Welcome to the Roaring Fork aerial lifting eye operations. I'm Lieutenant Clark. We're going to go through the procedure for setting up our lifting eye and doing raise and lower operations. In the third driver side engineer's compartment is our aerial lifting eye that we're going to attach to the end of the ladder. Remove the cotter pins with the keepers. Install them into the end of the aerial tip. We want to ensure that the pins are facing down with the rounded side facing outwards, and that the keeper goes down and around the end of the lifting eye. We want to ensure these are locked in and everything's tight before we begin operations. The next step in the setup is retrieving the Stokes basket from the side of the aerial ladder. The aerial operator will be responsible for opening the compartment and lowering it to the rescues on the ground. Next step of the process will be removing the 5 carabiners from the small blue bag attached to the Stokes, as well as the long anchor strap. In order to set up this process, we're going to do opposing gates on the lifting eye connected to the blue anchor strap. We'll repeat this process on the bottom of the anchor strap and connect to the O-ring on the bridle. The fifth and final carabiner will be the steel carabiner in our blue bag. We'll attach that to the end of our 200-foot rescue rope and attach that to the foot end of the Stokes basket and utilize it as a tagline. When using the anchor strap, we want to give ourselves as much distance as possible, so extending almost to full capacity is ideal for this operation. Once we have our system hooked up, we can motion to our aerial operator to lift the Stokes basket off the ground. We can check our carabiners and adjust our bridle for level. When communicating with your aerial operator, it's important to use the view that the aerial operator is using. So Dwayne's on the turntable. I'm going to stand the direction that Dwayne is looking and use my motions for left, right, up, down, extend and retract. If you're in an area where it's hard to hear, you might need to supplement your motions with your radio. So we're going to demonstrate that now. Rachel will be operating the tagline. We're going to raise the basket up onto the roof and simulate a rescue.